You know what your passion is and you want to begin chasing the dream. But how do you start?
Never give up on the daydream.
I'm DJ JAZZY and this is my series, Chasing the Dream. If you are someone like me who loves singing, dancing, and acting, and you want to learn how to turn your dreams into a reality, click that subscribe button and turn post notifications on. Each week, I will be uploading videos sharing my knowledge that I have learned on my journey so far to help you get started on chasing your dream. So let's do this and start chasing our dreams together. First things first is you need to continue working on your craft. Never stop learning. But now you are ready to start putting your work out there. You want to get noticed and you want to start building a following. The best way to do this is to use social media. Now, if you are too young for social media, an option is to have an account managed by an adult. Social media is a dangerous world and you need to have someone older to help you with it. It is also a place where it's not completely positive, so you need to be ready for people to say mean things. This is where you need to ask yourself, are you ready for a career like this? Can you handle the fact that not everyone will like you? If you can't, you need to rethink this industry as a job for you. What name will people know you by? It could be as simple as your actual name, or you might want something a bit different, something edgy that people can remember. For an example, my name is Jasmine, but growing up, I was always called Jazz or Jazzy, and my dad was the one who came up with the idea of me being called DJ Jazzy. You need to think about your social media name. It needs to be the same across all platforms, otherwise it's too hard for people to find you. I am DJ Jazzy 33 on everything. This way, when I do a show, I can promote myself with just one simple handle. Find me on Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and so on. Create a logo for yourself. It needs to be simple and easy to read, and it needs to be the same on everything. Branding is very important and is something you need to be very careful with when first starting out. If you're constantly changing your logo and name, it will be very hard for someone to become familiar with you. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to stick with the same logo forever, but really make sure you try lots of ideas first before impulsively picking your first one. You need to have professional photos of yourself. If you can't afford professional photos, you are lucky because phones these days take great photos. So get a friend and do a mini photo shoot. Look up poses, put together some amazing outfits, and just have good photos of yourself that represents you as an artist. Start creating music or even start uploading covers. There are plenty of artists that have become famous on social media through covers, so it's possible to gain a following through putting up your own version of a popular song. But make sure that you are putting an effort into your filming. Do not upload a video of yourself singing with mistakes. Don't be lazy with your takes. Just re-sing it again. That's why filming is so great, because you do not have to be perfect every time. Take your time with it and try your best. High quality content is important if you want people to think you're professional. Take pride in your presentation. That includes how you look and how your background looks. Shower and make sure you're clean. Put on your favorite outfit and perform to the camera. Put effort into the whole video. Interact with others on social media. Like people's photos and videos. Follow people back. The whole stigma around having more followers than who you follow shouldn't be a thing. The whole point about social media is to be social. If you want people to see your photos and videos, you need to hashtag. You need to be active and constantly searching for similar people like you and showing them your interests so you can get interest back. If you are just starting out, this is probably the most important part. You need to put yourself out there and promote yourself. No one will find you if you aren't putting yourself in front of them. There is a fine line between pushing yourself onto someone and putting yourself in front of someone. Social media isn't the only thing you need to start. You need to start performing in front of people to gain experience. Start busking, start entering competitions. Find ways to get yourself physically out there. Comment down below if you have ever performed live before. If you are passionate about learning how to start chasing your dreams and turning them into a reality, click that subscribe button and turn post notifications on, because I want to share with you all of my tips and tricks. I want you to be a part of this journey with me because there's so much room at the top. Can't wait to see you in my next video on how to deal with criticism.
Never give up on the daydream.